And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, sound check, all good, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Happy Monday! Monday 17th of June, right? Never forget, I'm looking for traders, everybody. And welcome to the technical Forex and crypto trading course 101. Alright, this is for beginner traders, better say beginner analysts. You're not a trader yet, but my goal for you is to bring you from zero to a potentially millionaire trader in 3 years. Alright, in an institutional way. As always, what does this mean? You are first an analyst, then you're becoming, you become a trader. Never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Today we're going to work on this. We're going to learn about the 3 trend lines every time frame has. We had an introduction on Friday. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. So we are not going to work on number 2, but 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works. So you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. We're going to work on number 1 and number 3 today. And raise disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, and for questions and homeworks you have the Gmail, then you have Skype, and if you didn't receive the manual, just send me an email. What is the manual? That's the manual, everybody. Market structure trends. Let's click on that's the manual, free manual, everybody. Let's click on the, almost there, highs and lows, next level, courses. Give me a second. All right, so almost there. There you go. That's the manual. And there you go. The 3 trend lines. So from the manual, the 3 trend lines that every time frame has are the long-term trend line, the medium-term trend line, the short-term trend line, the aggressive. There could be more. And are there any concepts that we need to... Why is this important to understand? Because when we trade, the market is ultimately go to the direction of the greatest force. Trading concept: if you don't draw the trend lines, all possible ones, you may end trading the wrong direction due to misconception. The absence of the long-term trend line and the medium-term trend line may lead you to have a market direction misconception, and this is going to cause you to lose money. Hello Sam, how are you? Happy Monday. Alright, everybody. For the purpose of today, let's open USD JPY. USD JPY, everybody. Monthly chart. Alright. USD JPY monthly chart. And if you see something like this, everybody, tell me, everybody, is this market... I'm going to trick you, right? This is USD JPY monthly chart. We are going to learn about the 3 trend lines. Tell me everybody, is this market in an uptrend or is this market in a downtrend? What would be the answer? This is what you see. What would you say? Is this market, should you sell or should you buy? Based on what you are seeing. Boss, there is no right or wrong. Well, trend line, if trend line is a tool that confirms the trend, we've learned this on Friday. So it depends, right? You are here right now, what would you do? Downtrend, sell. All right. So, anybody else? Everybody, look what is going to happen if I sell. Huh, Sam? What happened? Nice, huh? Do you see, everybody? This is what you see, and you sell the market, you short the market, and look what happened. All right, everybody? Okay, now let's start the lesson, right? Everything starts from the monthly bands, right? Sam and Javan and me, we're all the same. We lost because we had a wrong, what does the manual say? We had the wrong perception. Make sense, everybody? If you don't draw trend lines, all the possible ones, you may, this is in the manual. If you don't draw the trend lines, all possible ones, you may end trading the wrong direction, do the wrong interpretation, misconception, wrong perception. And this is exactly what happened, you know. I was seeing this, you know, I was seeing a downtrend, which is really not, but because I don't have trend lines on the chart, you know, I was shorting, and what happened? So if everything starts from the monthly bands, I need to find the most recent low, right? Talking about the monthly band. And then I need to find the lowest low, the absolute low from this monthly band where the market is going to start to go up. So I need to zoom in the chart, everybody. And JForex4 is showing here our orange arrow, right? So this is the lowest low, this is the absolute low, this is the starting point. And now I'm going to click on this low and I'm going to move it like this. We've learned that on Friday, we've learned that we cannot break tails and bodies. And I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to extend on the right side. So if I zoom out, right, if I zoom out, this was the picture before. Does our loser now explain anything, everybody? Does our loser explain anything? This is just for starters. You are seeing here a downtrend, all right? But you lost. Does your loser now with the uptrend line explains anything? Type in the chat. You can type yes if it makes sense. You can type no. I still don't understand why the market went up. You can type I don't know, I have no idea. Exactly, the uptrend line, right? Makes sense, everybody? Now, this is one, okay, and this is called the long-term uptrend line. All right? This is the long-term uptrend line. Now the market is like this. So we've learned this on Friday. If I take the new low, give me a second, I need to be very specific here. So there is space, right? There is space in between. I need to delete this one. So there is space in between. So I need to connect this low, extend it, and this low, and let's color code this in orange, and right click, and I'm going to extend it on the right side. And if I zoom out, everybody, this is called the medium term. All right, the black is the long-term trend line, the orange one, it's what is called the medium-term trend line. And if I'm forward charting, right, everybody, do we agree that the market low to high, high to low, low to high, do we agree that this market is still up in an uptrend? Do we agree? Do we agree that the market was down in here and now it's up in here? Okay, so I need to go back to the orange line, to the low, and I need to zoom in, and I need to extend it. So I'm going to color code this in, this time in violet, maybe violet, and I need to zoom out. All right, and I need to extend like this, and now it's extend on the right side. Are we breaking any candles or bodies in here, or it's all right? It's all right, right? We're not breaking any bodies, we're not breaking any candles. Agreed? So the violet uptrend line is what is called the short-term uptrend line. All right, everybody? This is so far. Okay? And with the previous example, of course, with the previous example, when the market was like this, you know, we didn't have a reference. I'm going to delete the violet line. So back in time, you know, connecting these two, it would be something like this. Make sense, everybody? I mean, I cannot break tails and bodies. I need to be very specific here. You know, it most likely is going to be like this, and I'm breaking the body, so something like this. This would be the, I'm talking about back in time where was the downtrend, right? Okay, it would be something like this. So the black, one more time everybody, recap. The black one is the long-term trend line, the orange one is the medium-term trend line, the violet is the short-term trend line, and then you had what is called the aggressive one. Make sense? Make sense, everybody? The blue one is the aggressive one. Okay? So, and you can have more aggressive ones. You know, if I go here and I do like this and color code this with green. Okay, so the blue one and the green one are the what are called the aggressive trend lines. Make sense, everybody? Now, once the market breaks the green, or once the market breaks the blue, what are you going to tell to your trader? How is USD JPY? As an analyst, Sam is asking, can we go short when the aggressive breaks the trend? The question is, Sam, your question is about the strategy, and the answer is you can do whatever you want. There is no right or wrong. But you are here, everybody. You know, this happened. What are you going to suggest to your trader? Are you going to suggest your trader to buy the market, or are you going to suggest your trader to sell the market? Boss, teach me how to make money. Now you got it. That's it. You are going to graduate from Forex Course 101 when you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. What would be your prediction, and you are the analyst, when the market is in here? What would you tell your trader? Would you tell your trader to sell? Would you tell your trader, oh, USD JPY on the monthly chart is down? Or would you tell your trader, oh, let's buy because USD JPY monthly chart is up? What would you tell your trader? The three trend lines are super cool because they explain, everybody, the different time, the different patterns occur. So you can use, I'm going to help you, you can use the vocabulary, oh, dear trader, something is happening long term, something else is happening medium term, something else is happening short term, right? And something else is happening maybe right now. On the same time frame. Make sense, everybody? How would you analyze this chart? Or what would you say to your trader? Yes, I'm going to give an answer. Same is saying it's a retracement, the market wave is up, the down retracement is short on trend. But talking about trend lines, everybody give me a second. Alright everybody, sorry about that. Short term sell, long term buy. Very good. Exactly everybody, you as an analyst, you will tell your trader, okay dear trader, USD JPY on the monthly chart, short term is down, but long term is still a buy. Okay everybody, talking about direction, this is not trading yet, makes sense? Short term, the market is falling, but because we have the black long-term uptrend line, the medium-term orange uptrend line, and the short-term violet uptrend line, you know, this market long-term, it's still a buy. Does this make sense? But because some of the traders are day traders, all right, and we can go from the monthly to the daily chart, just an example, and where were we? We are here, right? We are here, you know. So the market is falling, you know, and it's here, you know. And the market broke the aggressive, right, uptrend line, then you can say to day traders, just an example, you know, oh, it's making lower lows, lower highs, but pay attention because long term, you know, this market is still up. So this is now we're monitoring this is now the daily chart, right? Daily chart, right? And you're monitoring the daily chart, you know. Okay, everybody? So this is still the daily chart. You know, it's up and down, up and down, up and down. All right. Now, if you would short the market in here, loser, you know, and then it broke the here again, right? Now, talking about the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, lower low, lower low, lower low, extension, And maybe one more, maybe one more, lower low, there you go. Extension, retracement, extension. And now, what would you tell your traders here? Short the market? Short the market, short the market. Everybody? What would you tell your trader to do in here, everybody? To sell or to buy? This is not a strategy. We're talking about understanding how this market works. If you would tell your trader to sell, type in the chat Y. And if you would tell your trader to buy, type in the chat Y. So you have this trend line, everybody, and you have this trend line, and you have this trend line. What you are trying to learn today, everybody, is that when the market, just an example, when the market breaks the trend line, when the market breaks the trend line in here, let's color code this in blue. When the market broke this trend line here, you know, money, when the market does this, and it comes down to here, the money to go short has already been made. Does this make sense? Sam is going to say, be careful. But I'm going to tell you, analyst Sam, be careful is not, it's not a decision. Buy or sell. Nothing wrong with be careful, but it's not a decision, right? We are going to learn, everybody, we are going to learn in, where is it? We are going to learn in support resistance pivot points. It's called uptrend, downtrend. So support, resistance, how to trade, resistance, support, stop loss, break. So starting from page, with page 94, everybody, this module is called timing and retracement trading. Okay? Until there it's market structure and trends. Now with timing and retracement trading, you must learn that money has already been made. Do not sell because of the retracement that is going to happen. So can I buy? Make sense, everybody? Money is being made at the rectangle, not down in here. The more the market gets near the trend line, the higher the probability of a reversal. This is what you must learn. Does this make sense? And sometimes the market is going to play with you because you are going to get scared and you are going to wait for 2 lower lows and 2 lower highs, and you are going to short the market down in here after the market confirmed from here to here after the market confirmed two lower lows, two lower highs, and you're going to tell yourself, this is a downtrend now from this uptrend line, and you're going to short the market at the worst possible time. Does this make sense? So what would you tell your trader here? Would you sell, buy, whatever? The money, talking about the blue line, right? The money is being made from here to here. Now we are here, and we are not far away from the short-term trend line, short-term uptrend line. Can the market fall further down? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe not. We don't know what is going to happen. But money is being made up in here, not down in here. So if you're going to short the market here, just risk less. Otherwise, wait for the market to change what? So I'm zooming in, everybody. Zoom in. And give me a second. Do we have, there you go. The market broke the blue trend line. Wait until the market reverses. How do you define that the market has reversed? Everybody, the market broke the blue uptrend line. What would you tell your trader to do? Short the market, stay out of the market. You would buy, and then you would lose again. See how the market works? The market broke the blue uptrend line. The market broke the blue uptrend line and starts going down and down, right? Agreed, everybody? And now you have another opportunity. Would you short the market? Let's make a poll, everybody. What would you do at the second circle? Would you tell your trader to short, to sell? Or would you tell your trader to wait a signal to buy? Based on the three trend lines that you are seeing, what would be the decision? Buy or sell? Ali, what do you think? Sandy, what do you think? Javen, what do you think? Clara, what do you think? Shola, what do you think? Sam, what do you think? Would you buy or would you sell at the red arrow? The market will go up. Based on what? Everybody take a pen and paper right now. We're going to write something down. Take a pen and paper and let's write this down. You cannot win short term from a long-term perspective. You cannot win, everybody. You cannot make money short-term from the long-term perspective. Makes sense? Meaning you cannot make money on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart because something is happening on the monthly. Those charts, there is a huge gap between those charts. You know, Sam is telling me, oh, the market structure is up and this is up, and every single time that I buy, I'm going to lose. Can you see, Sam, how many times I lost because you are telling me, oh, but the market is going to reverse and the market structure is up? Can you see it? The market is not pushing up, the market is pushing down. Agreed, everybody? The market is pushing down, not up. You cannot make money at this profession, you know, and you're going to understand this with Fibonacci's. You know, XYZ currency pair, buy, long, why? Oh, because the monthly Fibonacci is up. Monthly Fibonacci is up, this has nothing to do, you are on the 2 hour chart. Make sense, everybody? So I'm asking you again, what would you tell your trader here, to buy or to sell? And why? Market is going to reverse. How do you know? Market is going to fall further down. How do you know? Make sense, everybody? If you say your trader to buy, your trader is going to ask you, well, why are we buying a falling market? Make sense? If you tell me, Mike, let's buy the market. Well, but we had a trend line break and the market is going down. Why should we buy? Let's buy. Based on what? Wasn't the market making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows? And then the market broke the blue trend line, it made a lower low. And you are telling me to buy? Why are you telling me to buy? Because the market is going to go up. How do you know? You cannot speculate, everybody, make sense? Until you speculate, meaning you are not trading from what you see, you are trading from what you think is going to happen, you are going to be a losing analyst. You are not a trader yet, you're going to be a loser analyst. So one last time, everybody, decision time, buy or sell from the circle. Doesn't matter the stop loss, doesn't matter the take profit, we're talking about direction. Buy or sell, type in the chat, everybody, don't be shy, we don't bite. Buy or sell. Buy, sell, sell. Come on, YouTubers, sell. I'm reading on the other streaming platform, students telling buy. I would sell, I would buy. Selling is the best option. Selling based on what you see. Buy. Hedge fund trader Sam, what about you? What would you do? And remember, everybody, whatever you say online, you are already trading like this. Make sense? You are already trading habitually. So if you are not consistently profitable, it's because your habitual way of trading doesn't produce the consistent profits. Does this make sense? It's not personal. I don't know. Choose. This happens every day, all the day. Everybody, if I'm an analyst, all right, if I'm an analyst and I tell my trader, look, the market's going down, all right, and so far, dear trader, the market's going down, and so far, this is the down, no, I'm not sure which one is the lowest low. Give me a second, everybody. I'm going to delete this one and delete this one. Let me see which one is the lowest low. So this is the lowest low, all right? And starting from up in here, you know, talking about now downtrend lines, right? So we're going to delete this one, was broken, this one was broken, out with this one, let's clean the chart. I'm going to tell my trader, just an example, I'm going to say, look, this is the downtrend line, and the market's making lower lows, lower highs so far, okay, and the market broke, so I'm extending the downtrend line like this, okay, and the market broke the downtrend line 2 times, you know, we have 4 false breakouts so far. This is a false breakout, this is a false breakout, this is a false breakout, and this is the false breakout, all right? This trend line stays like this because, well, I can also on the downside, right? I can make the medium term, short term, something like this. Alright, but this is going to be confusing. Let's say that I'm here and I'm saying my trader, look, the brown is the downtrend line. We had 4 false breakout and the market broke the uptrend line here, the blue one. The market broke the blue trend line once and the market broke the blue trend line twice, you know, here. So is anything wrong if I'm suggesting to my trader to short the market? Is anything wrong? And if I delete this one and delete this one, you know, and put a vertical line, so those two are almost the same, but this is still a lower low, right? So this is the lowest low, but talking about highs and lows, so this is the low. Now this was a higher high, this was a higher low. So higher high compared to this high, and this is now a higher low. Boss, what was the question? Is anything wrong if I suggest to my trader to short the market based on what I'm seeing as an analyst? Everybody, do you see the market going down? Or do you see the market going up? If you're seeing the market going down, you're going to tell your trader to short the market. If you are seeing the market going up, you are going to tell your trader to buy. But if you are seeing the market going down and you are telling your trader to buy, you are speculating. And professional traders, we don't speculate. We have winners, we have losers, but we don't speculate. Going up, you are speculating. J-Van, you are speculating. Make sense, everybody? So I'm going to tell my trader, look, the market broke the blue trend line here. The market was making higher highs, higher lows here. Broke the uptrend line, the second blue uptrend line, make a lower low, short the market. The last high is hard high, the last lower low, there is no confirmation yet. And see everybody? Until you speculate, no success for you. Until you speculate, no money for you. Until you speculate, no consistent profits for you. Until you speculate, your brain cannot understand this market. Because speculation has no structure. Does this make sense? If you see something like this and you tell your trader to buy and you lose, that's okay. This is an acceptable loser. But if you have something like this, all right, and you tell your trader to short, so this is the trend line, give me a second, okay, same example. If you are here, this is what you see, and you are telling your trader to buy, and you lose, that's okay. You didn't speculate, this was simply a losing trade. You were buying the pattern. Your decision was made from what you see. It was logical, it was common sense. But if you are here and you tell your trader short the market and the market stops you out like this is you speculating. You have no idea what you're talking about. Does this make sense, everybody? This loser is okay. This loser calls you for first warning in an institution. This loser is pat yourself on the back, it's just a losing trade. This loser is first warning. If I'm your boss, don't do this anymore because next time you are going to get fired. This is trading from what you see. This is you freaking speculating. Short the market. Based on what? Alright everybody, after this beautiful sermon, download the video, watch it a few times, see you back tomorrow with another lesson. Until tomorrow, stay strong and chart the 3 trend lines. Alright everybody, that's the homework, chart the 3 trend lines on the monthly and the weekly and the daily, on the currency pairs of your choice.